Casa Delães looks simple at first, a white volume, compact, almost cubic. But the most interesting part here is not the box, it is what was removed from it. Designed by AREA Architects Studio in Portugal, the house has only 106 square meters, and precisely because of that, it does not try to impress through size. Its strength is in the cuts, the subtractions, and the shadows that transform a simple form into a house with more presence. The central idea is in the cut. The main volume feels almost cubic, but it has subtractions in strategic points. These voids create entry, protection, shadow, and transition zones between inside and outside. Two lower volumes help break the rigidity of the main block. They create support, leisure, and transition spaces, allowing the house to spread a little more across the site while still remaining compact. Light is an essential part of this architecture. Because the surfaces are very clear and the volumes are simple, every shadow becomes important. The cuts create depth, and they make the house change quite a lot as the sun touches the facades. It sits in a urban context, a place between rural and urban, without a very defined identity. In this setting, the house does not try to imitate its surroundings or disappear into them. It appears as a more abstract object, white, clean, carefully controlled. The strength of Casa Delães is in its precision. It does not need a spectacular gesture. The house works with only a few elements: a compact volume, well-placed cuts, deep shadows, and transitions between interior and exterior. The materiality is restrained: light surfaces, concrete in some areas, glass, discrete frames, and wood inside. On the outside, the house depends more on form and shadow. On the inside, the wood helps bring more warmth to daily use. There's also a subtle contrast between straight lines and curved lines. The house is very controlled, with clean planes and simple geometry, but the curves soften certain moments and keep everything from feeling too rigid. The entrance is not just a door on a flat facade. It happens inside a recess, like a pause before entering. You do not walk straight into the box, you pass through a cut in it. In the end, Casa Delães is a house about removing matter to create space, cutting, subtracting, opening, creating shadow, and transforming a small, simple form into a more careful experience of arrival, light, and staying.